Hello guys, welcome to Financial School YouTube channel.
Hey guys, today we have booked our profit and we have backtested this strategy of Asmita Patel. Here you can see we have entered at 47,625 price and our target is 48,335 and our stop loss is 47,244. Here you can see our target got hit today itself and we have exited the uh, quantity of one lot and another lot is trailing. Here you can see in our virtual portfolio. This is our virtual portfolio where we have taken the virtual trades. Here you can see, yeah, you can see it clearly. We have booked one lot of profit and another lot is going on, and that one lot profit is 15,911. Total profit is one on realized profit is 10,725 and unrealized profit means it is not booked as of now, and it is 15,911 and total profit is 26,626 per two lots in futures. As per Asmita Patel's system, we are following the rules and we are implementing as is by changing some calculations. You can watch it. The results of the strategy is in front of you. You can have a look at it.
Yeah.